Hello and welcome to Planet Ayurveda YouTube channel. My name is Alexander Lakhtionov. I'm representative of Planet Ayurveda in Latvia, Europe. And today we are talking about the diabetes and another lifestyle disorders. Yeah. We're facing that this problem with obesity and the diabetes is hit very hard the modern world, both on the West and in India. But we have a solution for that. And today, with Doctor of the Planet Ayurveda, we will go deeper into this question. Hello, Doctor. Please tell us more about the diabetes and what we can offer.
Diabetes is one of the most common lifestyle disorders which the people are suffering nowadays. And in India, it's very common. Like every third person is suffering from diabetes.
Spending sometimes here, I can agree, because Indian people is very foodie.
Yes.
They want to eat every day, some few times a day, and this is a rich plate, as you can say, in food, and we need to find the solution for it.
Yeah. So diabetes is a lifestyle disorder, and in which primarily the blood glucose level rises, because from the pancreas there is decreased production of the insulin, which helps in the regulation or metabolization of the glucose. So when we are in the glucometer, we are having the high readings of blood sugar level, then it is considered as diabetes. Like by fasting, if our blood sugar level is more than 120, then it is considered as a diabetic. And if like postprandial, whenever in a day you did your blood glucose test, then it should be less than 180. If it is more than 180, then it is considered as diabetic.
But what can help to diagnose diabetes without the equipment, let's say?
Glucometer.
But without it, is it any other method how to define?
There are some other tests also, like glucose intolerance test, impaired glucose tolerance test. So there are some other diagnostic methods, but glucometer to diagnose the blood sugar, to check the blood sugar by the sugar strips, and then we'll have the reading, like what is the amount of sugar in our blood.
But maybe some other symptoms for that?
Yes, there are in diabetes the most common symptoms are 3 P's. That is polydipsia, that is increased thirst, polyuria, that is increased urination, and polyphagia, as you have said, that there is increased intake of food.
So better,
and obesity is
better to observe about those 3.
Yeah,
it will be more
so
obvious.
These 3 P's will act as a symptoms, and it's like polydipsia, polyphagia, and polyuria.
But I believe Ayurveda have a solution for that.
Yes, Ayurveda have a solution for this, and it is a very good solution. By Planet Ayurveda, we have product diabeline capsules, which contain the standardized extract of 5 herbs. That we have the herbs here today, that is methi, fenugreek, you can see, which is also known as Peet Bija. We have discussed earlier, because it has yellow seeds. Peet is for yellow and Bij is for seeds. So the second is Gudmar, which is also known as Gymnema sylvestri.
Yes, we know this. Gymnema.
And the third one is curcumin.
Yeah.
And the fourth one is Karela, that is Momodia charentia.
Usually it's bigger, what I saw here in India.
Yes, it's also known as bitter gourd, but this is the dried form of Karela.
Yeah, and that one?
Then the last one is Indian blackberry, the seeds of Indian blackberry.
Never tasted, so I need to find it.
It's a very common fruit in North India. So Indian blackberry is very common. It's very juicy, but its seeds are very good for this diabetes.
And altogether we
Yes,
help.
these all together works very well in diabetes. It helps in improving the metabolism of glucose by influencing the pancreas to increase insulin production.
But from Ayurvedic point of view, what is the properties?
Yes, these all herbs are having bitter taste, and the herb which are having bitter taste will definitely act in diabetes.
We already learned that. Yes.
So their main action, the diabeline capsules will mainly act on cough and pitta dosha. So this product will helps in the pacification of pitta and cough dosha, but somehow it increases vata dosha.
In positive way.
Yeah.
But we just need to mention that again, the physical activity is important.
Yes.
And the diet is very much important.
Diet is very important, and the physical activity is very much important in eradicating the diabetes from our life.
So it's like 3 points we need to conclude today.
And along with that, the person should do some home remedies. Like at your place, I think these fenugreek seeds are easily available. So they can soak 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds overnight and then take it in the next morning, chew them, and it will be very good for the diabetic patients.
1 teaspoon of
1 teaspoon of fenugreak seed should be soaked in 1 glass of water. Then you can, in the next morning, you can take this water and chew those seeds.
Once a day.
Yeah, once a day. So it will be very good for them. And they can also take bitter gourd juice. That is Karela juice.
Available.
It's very available.
Not available at all.
It's not available. So you can recommend Karela capsules.
Yes, Planet Ayurveda has the
along
Karela.
with diabeline, you can recommend Karela capsules to them. And then the other home remedy should be the person should include curcumin in their daily routine. If it is not available, then we can give the curcumin capsules to them.
But you mean the curcumin in fresh form?
Yes, curcumin powder basically. Curcumin in fresh form also, it's also very good.
Not as popular curcumin juice.
No, curcumin juice is not popular, but we can recommend golden milk. But milk or dairy products should be avoided in diabetic patients, because dairy products might increase this blood sugar level. We can take curcumin capsules as a supplement along with diabeline.
Okay, I think it's enough information for today, and we call you for action. So please move, please watch over your diet, and as a help you can use the Planet Ayurveda products such as diabeline. See you next time.
अरे ये क्या बना रही हो?
आलू टिक्की चाट।
आलू टिक्की? और चिंटू कल पिज्जा खा रहा था। पिज्जा
तो क्या हुआ?
तुमने कल बाबूजी को समोसे भी दिए थे खाने को, और आज ये आलू की टिक्की। खूब तला हुआ खाओ, तला हुआ फैटी लिवर हो जाएगा, बीमारियां हो जाएंगी, पता भी है कुछ?
तो क्या हुआ?
तो क्या हुआ?
प्लैनेट आयुर्वेदा का यकृत प्लेहांतक, बस आधा चम्मच सुबह शाम।
ये तो कड़वा है।
तो क्या हुआ? यही देगा लिवर की समस्या से जीवन भर का आराम।
ओके ओके ओके। आज तिवारी क्या पार्टी है, बुला रहा है।
आज फिर पार्टी?
तो क्या हुआ? यकृत प्लेहांतक तुरंत मंगवाइए और फैटी लिवर की प्रॉब्लम से छुटकारा पाइए। कॉल